Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent one of our adopted full-size meals, de RIJST-TAFEL. This is how we say RIJST-TAFEL. RIJST-TAFEL. The full word is Indische Rijsttafel, and with Indisch we generally mean Indonesia or Indonesia. The emphasis in RIJST-TAFEL is on the first syllable, RIJST-TAFEL. 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 And yeah, you do hear only one T. We don't really pronounce both T's. So that's why it's called RIJST-TAFEL. Een Indische rijsttafel can consist of up to 15 separate dishes. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!